Hey man, what's good with y'all? Hey man, what's good? Hey man, what's good with y'all boys? It's your boy KB Mitchell, like aka Vic One, like KB, aka the smoothest man on the team, baby. So guys, what's happening today is like I'm gonna be pranking your favorite. Y'all already saw the thumbnail, you already saw the title, you know. I'm gonna be pranking your favorite, Just Daddy G. It's your boy, Just Daddy G. And welcome back. Nah, fuck all that shit. But basically, guys, I'm gonna be doing a prank / loyalty test on Just Daddy G, and we're gonna find out if like that brood is a real brood. You know what I'm saying? If he's really about it. So I'm gonna piss the bed. You know, it's just a prank, guys. I don't really piss the bed. Like, what you talking about? I'm old now. You know, I don't be doing that shit. Like, shit. But yeah, basically, I'm gonna do a wet the bed prank, and then from there we're gonna see if he's my boy, cause like we have what's their name? We have KO and Ghost Baby in the other room, right? So I need to be able to like convince my boy Khonze to like not tell the bruise, cause like boy, that shit is embarrassing, you know. I mean, when it happens at home, oh no, it doesn't happen at home.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
But like yeah, if it happens now, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it's about to happen. So when it happens, I need to know that my boy has my back. You know what I'm saying? You don't ever catch me lacking, but if you ever catch me lacking, do you have my back? You know what I'm saying? Are you my boy? Or are you 6'9"? So we'll be able to find out, baby. If you like this video, make sure, if you enjoy this video, actually, if you're gonna enjoy this, I already know you're gonna enjoy the video, man. So just make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, baby. Okay guys, so basically this is me about to like wet my pants so that when your boy wakes up, right, he can like, obviously the bed's gonna be wet, but like after that he needs to know that like, yo, it's me, there must be no question, you know what I'm saying? Because like sometimes weird shit be happening like that and you'll be like, why is the bed wet but nobody pissed it, you know? It should be crazy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm basically about to wet my pants. Hey man. Guys, I don't wanna lie, man. It's looking quality. It's looking realistic. Okay guys, so basically I have this boy's phone right now. I just took, because I thought about it, I'm like, if I need to wait for this boy to wake up, guys, yo, this video is gonna happen at 10. So basically I have Just Daddy G's phone. Let's see, I unlocked it with Face ID because you know I'm there, man, I'm there. But yeah, I just unlocked the phone. I'm gonna set an alarm, right? It makes sense. I'm gonna set it for like 3 to 5 minutes after I wet the bed, so like it makes sense. It's not that I don't use an iPhone, but guys, where the hell is the alarm? Like, damn, son. It's probably clock, right? Yeah. I need that time, man. I was playing with y'all niggas. Alarm. Okay, so what's the time now? Okay, it's 7:36. I think I'm gonna set it for 7:36 now. 36. I'm gonna set it for 7:45. So what's 7:45? 7:45. About to set this baby for 7:45. Bro, this boy has a wake up alarm for 10 a.m. This nigga. Okay, let's say add, and then we're gonna say 9. What are we saying? 7:45, nah? I say 7:45, repeat never. Look, I must like put it on repeat so this boy wakes up earlier every day. But hey man. Okay, so the alarm is set. It's gonna go off in 7 minutes. Okay, so I need 7 minutes. It is what it is. I'm basically gonna go like wet the bed now, and then after I wet the bed, yeah, I'm gonna like, the alarm's gonna wake this brood up, and then yeah, let's see what happens, baby.
A few moments later.
KB. Why? I think something is leaking, dog. Like the blankets away and shit. And the mattress, bro. Huh? I think something's leaking, bro. What are you talking about, boy? Oh, boy. What you talking about? Like the bed's wet and shit, bro. Huh? Like the bed is wet, bro. Top of the sheet. Did you bring a bottle or some shit in the bed? No, I didn't drink it. Huh? Oh shit. Wait. What's it from? I don't know. Shit, wait. Let's wait. Boy. What's up? I don't know what's happening. Boy, did you post on? What time is it, dude? It's like 9, bro. What's going on? What's happening? Bed. What the fuck happened to the bed, bro? What smells like this? Oh shit, boy. I don't know why your pants are so that way, dog. Boy, I don't lie to you, man. I don't lie to you, boy. I think I pissed the bed. I know you're not being serious, man. No, boy. Boy, like a real chance, boy. No way. I know you're just pissed, dog. Man, I know you're not being serious, no way. Boy, I'm being dead serious, boy. Dog, I know there's no way you made me sleep with shit and you pissed the bed, dog. Nah, boy. But like, you know, yesterday we had like a lot to drink, boy. Dog, it's not about having a lot to drink, bro. Like, I'm just pissed as fuck. Like, bro, how do you still pee the bed, bro? Boy, obviously I don't just be like peeing the bed everywhere, but like, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's kind of fucked up. Though. Like, how do you know that you pissed the bed and you say it's like, dude, we could have slept the 3 of us in one room if you were like this, bro. Huh? We could have slept the 3 of us in one room. No, but my chat is like when it happens at home, I didn't think it was gonna happen here. So it happens. But like last year, this 2022, it hasn't happened. Okay, now it just happened. But like when I have a lot to drink, like sometimes, bro. Dog, so you don't say anything, bro. Like, what do you mean when you have a lot to drink, you piss the bed, bro? Like, you're a grown-ass man, dog. Like, yeah, bro, but like, it happens. Don't you piss the bed? Why are you acting like you don't piss the bed, dog? I don't fucking do that shit. Nah, you're lying, boy. You've never like recently. Like in the past 5 years, you haven't pissed the bed. No, maybe recently when I was like 8 years old, bro. Like, what the fuck? Nah, you're lying, boy. Dog, this isn't a normal thing, bro. Like, dog, how old are you, bro? Like, you're 22 or some shit. Like, boy, but my chat is if you drink a lot of liquids, they need to come out. Also don't make noise. Before you sleep. Don't make noise. Boy, please be cool, dog. You're gonna wake the crews up. What? So must be cool about you pissing the bed. Nah, boy. Ain't no way. Ain't no way he made me sleep in piss. Now must be cool about it. But it wasn't my fault, my boy. Like it's nature. No, I didn't. It's natural. It's piss, my boy. It's piss. It's natural. That's not mine, bro. That's the thing. That's different. How'd you feel? How'd you feel if I pissed the bed and you slept in that shit, bro? You my boy, I'd be cool. No, fuck that shit. You my boy, I'd be cool. Okay, fine, but I'm not cool with it because you did. So you're not gonna take me out? No, bro. Like, dude. But I'm saying you're my boy. You're making me touch piss and stuff with like, alright, dude. My boy, my chat is like, man. I'm saying we can just like dry the sheets real quick, right? We can dry the sheets and everything, and then the blankets. We need to dry the blankets, and then we'll tell the bruise. We'll tell the bruise that like we had a hot water bottle bust or some shit, boy. Yeah, dude. I'm not gonna tell them anything, bro. Yeah, but I'm serious, my boy. Like, also don't make noise, cause now you're gonna wake the bruise up. And you know we need to like cover this up. If you, I'm saying if you're my boy like that, if you're my boy, dog, you got me covered, dog. This shit never comes out. I think if you were my boy, would have told me about it. But about what? I'd have had you. You would have told me that you pissed the bed and shit. But then nobody would have wanted to sleep in the same bed with me, dog. Yeah, well, dog, what did you want? Like, what do you expect, bro? Nah, but I'm saying, my boy, I thought I can control it. It's a new year, it's a new me, dog.
Like, trust me, I
Like,
thought I was a
like,
different person.
I could have slept. Like, dude, you could have slept in the room alone, dog. Like, it wouldn't have mattered, bro. Like,
Nah, bro, I like bonding, dog. Don't you like when like we having chats before you sleep? You talking to your people, I'm talking to my people. Like we're laughing at memes and shit, dog. Don't you like that shit, dog? That shit be meaning a lot to me. We be bonding, dog.
I don't know that shit, bro. It means nothing if you're gonna be the bed, dog. Like,
My boy, my chat is dog. It's obviously not on purpose.
like, dog. I don't think you realize this. You have me sleeping in urine, dog. Like, waste.
But it's not waste. If you think of it, it's just water. It's
bro.
just
It's
water.
not just water.
It's just
Then
water.
why is it yellow if it's just water?
It's water and
Dog,
like
biology
juice
and
and shit.
shit,
It's
bro.
juice.
No.
It's juice,
But
bro.
was it juice you drank yellow? No, it wasn't.
Yeah, but like
Maybe it's
obviously when it
just water
goes through the
and juice, it would've
system, it
been orange,
becomes
bro.
it becomes like yellow when it goes through the system, boy.
So now I'm asleep on shit that's gone through the system.
But like I'm clean, boy. I'm just clean. You know I take care of myself. I don't know why you're stressing, bro. Like it's not that deep.
But I
bro.
haven't seen you drink water once. What do you mean you take care of yourself, dog?
No, but I'm just saying, my boy. It's really not that deep, dog. And the Brews can't find out about. I don't wanna lie to you, boy. The Brews can't find out about this.
Nah, bro, we have to talk because who's gonna sleep? I'm not gonna sleep with you next time.
No, I'm saying.
I'm definitely not gonna
No,
sleep
that's
with you
fine.
next
That's
time,
fine.
bro.
When we get to the next place, right? I'll sleep in the same bed as like KO or Ghost, but like don't tell them. But like, I also promise I won't piss, dog. You feel me? You got
How
me?
can you promise your place? You said you thought when you come.
No, I just stopped
Not this
drinking
year,
liquids
but
after
that
8 p.m. dog. Like I got it under control. I don't know. Yesterday I just thought I
Dude,
had
like
this,
you're a
bro.
fucking child, bro. What do you mean?
Bro, it's nature. It happens, though. Why you acting like? No, why you acting like? Why you acting?
Dude, what
Why
the
it
fuck do you
happens,
mean? I'll
dog?
just drink liquor, dog. You old, bro.
Yeah,
like,
but boy, it's nature. What you
dude,
talking?
you
You don't
know,
piss.
bro.
You don't piss in your
I don't
life.
piss the bed, but I don't piss not on demand, bro.
Nah, but like, boy, I don't know. Maybe I was dreaming. I was in the toilet or some shit.
Have you ever had a dream that you had
But I don't know, dog. But like, it happens, bro. Like that's what I'm saying. It's nature. You know, it's not like I shat the bed. If I shat the bed, then it's something different. You know what I'm saying? But it's just piss, bro. Like, be cool, dog.
Dude, it's the same concept.
It's not the same concept,
If you
boy.
can't pee in bed, you can shit yourself, dog.
Nah, it's not, because you're not the chat. Now, if you tell the Brews, I'm telling you now, boy, the Brews are gonna say something stupid about, they're either gonna vlog or have it in some video, boy. Trust me, please don't tell the Brews, dog.
They won't do that, but I'm gonna tell them. That's the thing.
You got, boy, don't tell them, boy, that's my chat. Like, be cool, bro. Why can't you do me a favor? dog?
No, why
If you my boy
couldn't
like that-
you do me a favor and tell me what do you mean if you my boy? No.
No, I thought I had it under control, but now
but you
now
could have
I
said,
have
you
it
could
under
have just
control,
mentioned
for
it. Hey,
real.
yo, dog, by the way, A, B, and C. So if it happens, I'm not surprised. Yeah, I would have been like, okay, yo,
Must I just like pull up on niggas and say, yo, boy, low key, like sometimes I piss the bed.
Yes.
Nah, you know how lame I sound, boy.
You know how lame you look? Tell me how lame I
boy,
sound, bro.
Boy, my chat is like it's natural. It just happens. You just need to be cool. And also,
How do you sleep? Okay, what do hands do? What do hands do when you do this when you sleep with them? It's
No,
like-
no, but listen, don't be like.
No, what happens? What do
keep it-
hands
Okay, fine, but
say?
keep it down, boy. The Brews are right next door. But I'm saying that it only happened with one hand, and she understood, boy. Like it's fine. She understands. It's human nature, dog. Like the fuck, bro.
Nah, but I ain't never heard of no nigga. Bro.
Nah, I'm telling you, boy. It's like it just happens, bro. If you need to piss, you need to piss. It's human nature.
Like, if you need to piss, you wake up and go to the toilet, bro.
But obviously I didn't feel it, bro. Like if I felt it, I would have went to the toilet. For me to piss, I obviously didn't feel it. And it's not that deep, but I'm saying we hang, because if we hang it outside, the Brews are gonna see. So I'm saying I'm gonna hang this shit in your side of the closet, right? And then I'm gonna hang the bed sheet in your side of the closet. I'm gonna hang my shorts and my underwear. I'm gonna hang that shit on like my side of the closet. And then like today nobody goes in our room. But also the smell. We need to get like salt, because salt kills the smell.
But now my clothes and stuff. Why don't you put that stuff on your side?
Nah, but it just makes sense that we put the blanket on, because you that guy, you know. So it makes sense that we
I'm
put the
what guy?
blanket on. You that guy. You that guy, boy. Boy, so you're not gonna dab me up the whole of today?
Your hand all this piss in your hands and shit.
Boy. It's good now, boy.
Nah, dude, I'm not.
You know.
I'm not.
Boy, you don't wanna touch my blood. We're not boys like that.
We're boys, but I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, but I'm saying real chats, we're covering this shit up, right? Like, okay, it's fine, even if we put it in like my side of the closet, right? But like the boys can't find out about this, is my chat.
Hey, dog, you do whatever you need to do. I'm not gonna help you or anything, but that's on you.
You're not gonna help me. Then you're not a real one, dog. You know how,
What
boy.
do you need help with, bro? You need help to carry a fucking blanket.
Now I'm saying nobody can come in the room today, boy. Like
Nigga.
fine, I can set the shit up, but like you know, niggas just be waltzing in the room like they own the shit, boy. So I'm saying today, while my shit is drying, nobody comes in the room.
How's it gonna dry in the closet, bro?
You want it to be on the washing line, then I gotta answer. Okay, my boy. Now, if you my boy for real, please take the blame for me. Say you did it, boy.
Why would I do
No,
that?
please take.
But
If
thing
you're
is-
really my boy, you'll take the blame for it. That's
No,
all I'm saying.
If you're really my boy, you wouldn't make me lie for you.
No, but like, boy, you have that persona. You that guy. You cool, boy. If like you said you piss in the bed, niggas just gonna start pissing in the bed. It's gonna be a trend, boy. Trust me. So that's what I'm saying. You take the rap for this one, boy, and then like, I'll cover you up. I'll be like, it was cool as fuck.
You'll
when you
cover
pissed-
me up next time I piss the bed and you'll say it to you.
Huh? Nah, but like, I got you. Next time. This
Next
time
time
take the
won't
heat.
happen. There will be
This
no
time
next
take the
time.
heat.
Like
Then
what?
next time I'll take the heat, boy. I'm just saying if you my boy like that, boy, you're gonna take the rap.
No, I'm not, dude.
Cause you know
That's-
you that
that-
boy, you that guy, you make pissing in the bed look cool.
That's nothing to do with being that guy, bro. Like, why would I do that, dog?
Cause you my you know
No,
my
dude,
boy.
own up to your shit, though. If you're gonna piss the bed, dog. Say you pissed the bed.
But I'm
dog.
saying
You know what
I'm not as cool as you, bro. You know what I'm saying? So like because I'm not as cool as you, I don't get away with like pissing the bed.
When
I'm
you
gonna look
act
lame as
like
fuck.
this, you just
boy.
want me to do you a favor, and now you're saying, oh, I'm not as cool as you.
Yeah,
I'm
please
not
do me a favor,
Nah,
dog.
boy.
So you don't wanna do me a favor. So you know my boy like that is basically what you're saying.
Nah, dude, I'm not talking to you, bro.
You're not talking to me.
Dog,
Just take the heat for it, dog.
alright, boy. Handle your things, bro.
Boy, where you going, boy? Boy, you don't wanna take the heat for it.
Dog, like, why would I do that, bro?
Cause you're that guy, boy. You're just cool, bro. Like people understand it's just Daddy G. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just gonna be a calm thing. Now because it's still me, I'm still on the come up, boy. Like I can't. How you piss the bed on the come up, dog? The come up is destroyed now. Who's gonna sub to a nigga who be pissing the bed? You know what I'm saying? You don't need them subs because they're already like that. Who's gonna follow a nigga who be pissing the bed? You feel me? But you're already on 100K, boy. You know what I'm saying? You make everything look cool, my boy. You feel me? Take the heat for this one, dog, please.
Oh, you're still speaking, bro.
But I'm saying, please,
No,
yeah,
all
Loki,
I'm saying
we
is-
need to get this
No,
solution before the boys wake
all
up.
I'm saying is what you say, what you asking me is not gonna happen, bro.
So you're not gonna take the heat for me, boy. So no, what you saying right now is you're not my boy. That's basically what you say. You're saying you're not my boy. Because if you're my boy, trust me, you're down for whatever, boy. Like you'll never have me looking stupid, dog.
So now you're me looking stupid.
That's what I'm saying. When it's me, it looks stupid. When it's you, it doesn't look stupid, bro. Because you're that,
No, see,
you're that
like-
man,
no,
dog.
don't-
Dog, dap
don't
me
try
up,
to touch
dog.
me, dog. Don't
You don't wanna dap me, dog.
No, don't what you're saying. So, I'm not your boy if I let you look stupid, but when I look stupid, it's fine. It's still
You
boy.
don't look stupid. There's nothing you do look stupid, boy. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. Take the heat, boy. Like just this one. Next time you piss it, I got it. You feel me?
There won't be no next time because I don't piss the bed, dude. I'm fucking 20.
Like never. You lying, boy. You never pissed the whole year. You didn't piss the bed. 12
Bro.
months. Every day, drinking water, juice, all of that shit, and you still don't piss the bed.
Not pissing the bed is not a hard thing, bro.
What you mean? Fine, it's not a hard thing, but like if you have drinks after 8 p.m., you're going to piss the bed.
Bro, just get that shit checked out or whatever, though. I don't know what you need to do about that, but something, bro. Like,
Get what checked out, but
Okay.
there's nothing checked out.
bro, you can't be pissing the bed at like 22 or whatever, dude.
So, boy, that's fine. I'm turning 24 now, not in fair, but like it is what it is.
Even
dog.
worse, bro. You're turning 24, you're still pissing the bed, dude.
And that, boy, it's natural.
So when you're 15, you have kids, like when you're 40 or whatever, and you have kids, you're gonna be pissing the bed with them and shit.
Yeah, we're gonna play whose pee is this. Then you gotta smell the shit and see like is that your kid's piss or my kid's piss.
Boy, if you don't get
Trust me.
Sometimes
boy.
it's both of you type shit. Alright.
Yeah, sometimes it's both of us. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be that dad. I'm gonna be that man. I'm gonna be that nigga, dog. But all I'm saying is don't take the heat for this one, dog.
Handle your shit, boy.
Where you going, my boy?
Handle your shit. I'm gonna go sleep in the other room, bro.
Boy, don't go sleep in the other room. Boy! Boy! Hey, yo, my boy. Hey, yo, my boy. Listen, boy. Listen, my boy. Listen, boy, it's just a prank, boy. It's just water, dog. What's good with you, boy? It's just a prank. It's just water. Huh? Boy, I'm telling you, boy, why would I have a camera set up, dog? Boy, it's just water, dog. Khunzi. My boy, You don't believe me? Huh?
I'm not talking to you, man.
Boy, I'm telling you, it's just a prank. I'm gonna show you a short intro and everything, boy. You can't be tripping like this, boy. Khunzi, don't drink water, boy. You're gonna piss the bed, dog. Don't drink. Boy, don't drink water. You're gonna piss the bed, boy. Don't drink. Now, my boy, that ass is water, boy. I promise you it's water, boy. Check on the table. Come, let me show you. Check on the table there on the bed, my boy. There's water. Loki, also check this mess, because this is where, like, I poured. I don't know if the cam can see, like, but you can see it. This is where I made my shorts wet, my boy. It's a prank, Gucci. We boys, man. We good. My nigga, we alright. My nigga, we alright. Boy, dap me up, dog. It's just water, dog. Dog, dap me up, boy. Okay, come. Hey man, I got your boy Just Daddy G. So guys, I don't wanna lie, Just Daddy G is not a real one. Like, he didn't wanna take the blame for me, bro. Like, nah, I'm gonna get you wrong for that shit. You're not my boy for that shit, dog. But it is what it is, dog. It is what it is.
If I kill somebody, who is in the bank?
Yeah, I got you, boy. I got you. If you kill somebody, I got you.
No parents, niggas have to see it fighting like man.
I got your boy Just Daddy G. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Y'all saw Just Daddy G is not a low-key exposed me. You saw it's not a real one. But hey man, make sure you like. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, share that shit, baby. This girl that came on. Yeah.
Young when a young sin, a beast when I'm done, and a head spin, I can't spin a brother.